Hello guys, so in this video you're going to discover how to make money with Clickbank with free traffic methods. So there's no investment needed, there's no credit card required, no experience or no skill at all. So you're going to discover the easiest step and the free 100% free method on how to make money, how to make affiliate commission with Clickbank. Okay, so before we start, I just want to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up because it does help my algorithm. All right, so we're going to be utilizing Clickbank and we're going to be promoting a self-help under self-help niche, and to be exact, we're going to promote dating guides. Right, so in this particular video, I'm going to be promoting the secret obsession. So type in secret obsession, and by the way, you are free to choose whatever product or whatever affiliate platform. I know some country may not you can access the Clickbank. You can also use like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or Digi424, right? So it is totally fine. So once this is the product that we are going to promote, and then just take a look at the product. So it has the video sales letter, which is very good, because nowadays this type of presentation or this type of sales letter is converting very well, right? So what we're going to need to do is we need to go ahead to click the affiliate vendor page. So this is the affiliate vendor page. So this is very crucial, because before you choose whatever product that you want to promote, I highly recommend you to take a look at the affiliate vendor page first, right? Because this is going to help us to promote even easier, right? Because we are going to be utilizing the free method traffic. So it is very crucial to have all the promotional item like the custom report, banners, the review, product review, and etc. Okay, so just click on the custom report. We're going to be utilizing the custom report, so I'm going to go ahead and click skip, and then just land over to this one, and then click the custom PDF report, and then you're going to land over to this page. So this is the custom report for this page. I'm sorry, for this particular product. So we can use all of them, 3 of them, and then we're going to see which one that convert well, and then we can later on double down with that particular report, right? So what we're going to do next is you need to put on your Clickbank ID. So we can also do the tracking. So I type in CRMM, which stands for custom report MM. All right, so if you want to promote this one, you can type in custom report CRA3 and CRFF, right? So it's totally up to you which one that you want to start with. So I'm going to promoting this one over here, CRMM. Okay, so next thing what you need to do is just click on the I'm not a robot, and then generate your personalized PDF reports. So what we are going to receive next is we're going to be able to have this custom report, right? So this is the PDF custom report. What does it mean? It is actually, if you scroll down under the bottom of the page, every page, you're going to be able to see the link free presentation, right? So this is very powerful, because we're going to be promoting this report, right? So once your target audience go through and that they found that this report is very valuable, and then they're going to wanted to learn more, they're going to click on this free presentation. And by the way, this is free, everyone loves free. And then once they click on the free presentation, they're going to land over to this particular page, which is our affiliate product that we are promoting right now, right? So take a look at the top of the search box here. So this is my affiliate link. So it means that it has embedded, right? My affiliate link as embedded with the within the custom report. So that is the powerful of this stuff, right? So this custom report is very powerful. It has been written by someone professional, so that we don't even have to create our own. We don't even have to burn out with all these things, right? So what we need to do is just create the custom report, and then we already have our affiliate link embedded within the custom report. So once they click on they go through the presentation, and if they are interested, they're going to purchase, and we are going to make a commission, right? So that is the step number 1, which is we have the custom report, and this is the thing that we are going to promoting. So the next thing is where can we get the free traffic for this particular method? So obviously we're going to be utilizing Facebook. So we are going to be utilizing Facebook group, and you can click on the Facebook group tab, and then since we are promoting the relationship product, so what we need to do is we need to search for the related group, which is relationship. All right, so type in relationship, and then you're going to be able to see a bunch of relationship groups here, right? Just click see more, and then you're going to see a lot more relationship groups. So the best part about the relationship groups here, just take a look at the total numbers of the members of the group, right? This one is 1.5 million, this one 2.5, this one 238,000, 2.1 million, and etc, etc. So there are so many people in the group, and take a look at the posts. 30 posts a day, this one 80 posts a day, 60 posts a day, 150 posts a day. All right, it's not only free traffic, but it is also a very targeted traffic. Okay, so what you need to do next is you just go ahead and click each and every one of this group to join the group, and then so what you need to do next is go ahead to click this group, right? For example, this group over here, and click join. So once you join, the first step that you need to do in order to leverage this free traffic is you need to go ahead to our affiliate vendor page back, right? So that is why I told you previously, this particular page is very resourceful, and this is very crucial. You need to ensure that the affiliate product that you want to promote has the affiliate vendor page, right? Otherwise you won't be able to get access to all this promotional material, right? So what you can do next is you can actually get like email swap here, or article that available here, right? So what you need to do, you can copy the article, all right? So maybe a chunk of the article, and then post it here. Okay, just simply post it here. For example, let me show you some example, right? So maybe we can go ahead to take a look at this article instead. Okay, so maybe you want to copy the first page of this article, right? And then let me copy the article, click copy, and then go to the page, the post. Okay, and then you just simply post like that, and then at the end of the article, at the end of the article, you may say something along the line of, if you are interested to learn more, I have a free PDF report. Do DM me to get the report. All right, as simple as that, right? So once people DM you, then you can send them this PDF report, this free PDF report here, right? So that is how you're going to be utilizing the free traffic method for promote your Clickbank offer. Okay, so that is the first one. And the second one is you're going to need a little bit of money. What you need to do next is you need to click to the member tab, and then you need to find all these moderator and the admins, and what you need to do is just click and message them and ask them whether they have a free slot for you to advertise your reports. So here's the thing, we are not spamming this group. We are not actually like promote our product directly, but instead we are adding value. All right, so we wanted to promote, we wanted to share our PDF report, which is the free report, right? So when people go through the report, and when they are interested, and then they're going to make the purchase, because we don't have to worry anything, because our affiliate link has already embedded within the report, right? So that's the thing, that is the secret behind this method, right? So what you need to do next is you need to join all this group, as much group as possible. Trust me, this is a very targeted group. So many people in this group are actually talking about relationship. They wanted to have a better relationship, and they wanted to have the girlfriend or boyfriend, and etc, right? So you go ahead to click each and every one of the group, join, and then just simply do whatever that I just teach you previously. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope you got some value how to actually how to actually promote Clickbank offer with free traffic methods. Okay, so give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you like this type of video, so that I can produce more content that related to this particular subject. Okay, and if you want to learn my #1 recommendation, how to make full-time income online, click my first link in my description down below. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.